To make it go, first you have to fill up the boiler. This is what's going to keep your stuff up here, whatever it is, coffee, tea, hot chocolate. It will keep this warm for you. And you see there's a maximum and a minimum. First we have to put some water in. Make sure that that's full. You have to do that. So that's up to the minimum level, so now we're all set to make something good to drink. Over here we have the on-off switch, the thermostat, so you can control how hot this stuff gets up here. It goes from, you can see, it goes from 0 degrees Celsius all the way up to 90 degrees Celsius. So set your temperature. This is your key. When you're all done, you need to, and you want to clean it, you need to take the water out of the boiler. This down here will let all the water come out that you put in. So you do that. If this thing ever happens to get stuck and it won't spin or it won't mix, again, don't lose your key. There's a reset button back here. You turn it off, and underneath there's a reset button. Just push the button and it will be okay. So we're going to take our Choco Fairy with all this wonderful good stuff that we can make. Coffee, tea, milk, hot chocolate. My favorite is hot chocolate, you can tell. So you put in the water, and they tell me throw in the whole bag of chocolate original powder. Because I could eat that all just like that. There we are. And there we go, making hot chocolate, my favorite. We're back from a break. We gave our chocolate time to do its thing, and hey, now's the time for the taste test. So we take a bit out. Ooh, looks wonderful. Smells good.